This is the first place where I've worked where I really feel seen for what I can bring to the table. My skills are recognized and what I can do for my team is recognized. Our main goal is to support the engineers and our project managers. That could mean staging a CT in a bay, could mean setting up a system that's going to be parts tested, could be taking down one of those systems and getting it down to the warehouse so it can ship out. It's on the floor, hands-on equipment every single day. If I had to boil down in a nutshell what our projects are, is that they are doing the physical installation of any particular modality. So we get the equipment set up and ready for an engineer to come in and then do final calibration. My favorite thing about working at Block is the people. Everyone would say that if they have a good company, but it's my family. So many people know who they are, so there's just a realness and authenticity with a lot of the people that I am in contact with every day. I don't think you find that in too many places. So one of the most rewarding things, this is equipment that people are literally borderline getting ready to die, and they're putting stents or they're doing valve replacement or whatever on heart surgeries, and to know that we're bringing in equipment that once it's done and up and running, people's lives are literally being saved on that equipment, and you see through a window where another patient is on a table on the other side of the wall getting that work done, and even though we're not the surgeon or the tech, we're still a part of that bigger picture of if it wasn't for the work we did, they wouldn't be scanning or treating patients today. So when you look at it from that perspective, it's all important.